Alam nyo ba ang kasabihan na to? Remember, remember, the 5th of November. Ano bang special during that date? Hey guys, this is Josiah and welcome to Project Code Sprint where I talk about programming topics for the next 30 days. November 5 has been one of the symbolic days of the hacktivists. Ito yung mga groups na gumagawa ng mga cyber attacks as a form of protest. Ang DICT ay nagbabala ngayong November 5 that certain groups of hacktivists will perform a DDoS. Ano ba ang DDoS? Ang DDoS, meaning Distributed Denial of Service, is like a traffic jam. Imagine mo yung internet, sobrang daming fake request and sabay-sabay itong nangyayari hanggang sa bumagal ang traffic at tuluyan ng bumagsak ang site na pinapasok mo. So, what it means is government sites or online services might slow down or even go offline. It might not be your Wi-Fi that's slowing down the connection, baka yung DDoS na yun. Paano ba natin mahiwasan itong mga cyber attacks nito? Kasi it's not about stealing data, it's most likely about disruption and protest against the government and sites na talagang nirereklamo nila. As a consumer, ano ba ang pwede mong gawin? Ano nga bang mga pwede mong gawin para hindi ka maloko? Number 1, you have to avoid clicking unusual buttons. Yung mga suspicious links katulad ng fix or reload, especially dun sa mga specific websites ng government, you make sure that you have a two-factor authentication or 2FA. You have to stay updated sa DICT or CICC pages. Ito yung mga official sites na pwede mong i-visit kung ano ng status nitong cyber attack na to. Now, if you're in IT, you have to test your systems for DDoS protection. Akala nyo ba ang cybersecurity ay para sa mga techie people? No, it applies to everyone. Lahat tayo dito may role and you have to stay protected online. Okay, if you love these types of contents, make sure to hit that like and follow for more.